भाई यार ऐसे gang bang ऐसे oh!
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Please let me up.
I'm so scared.
No! Fuck this game. Fuck this fucking game.
Getting over it with a shotgun. Fear of failure. And it is another frustrating indie game.
Et ouais, je suis bien content quand même de comment on a avancé. Là, on a l'Unbreaking 3.
I'm going to give my honest opinions. I hope it will piss me off.
Fait que là, dans le fond, le but, c'est que tu peux tirer.
Got a shotgun with some serious ricocheting going on.
So we gotta shoot and propel ourselves.
I can walk. Okay. See, I forgot I can walk.
Oh, we are struggling already. Just getting up here.
Attendez, on va essayer ça. What the fuck?
Oh no!
I do not think I'm learning. No.
You!
Ta gueule! Non, 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 c'est un FDP.
Oh! No! 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 Okay. Okay. That's funny. Fuck. Fucking goddamn it.
कि मैं वो खेलूं. What the hell? What the hell is this goofy ass noise? Do you hear the sound effects for this game?
You shall not pass.
Damn you!
Yo. Why was that so loud? What the, yeah, what the fuck? Damn you!
Raj, by the way. Amazing, amazing voice acting.
भाई यार ऐसे gang bang ऐसे oh! Oh no!
Ouais, ouais.
Ah!
Ouais.
Alright, that's by design. That's by design. That's evil, but it's by design.
Oh, stop! 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 I hope it will piss me off.
Damn you!
Yes!
Oh my god. No! Fuck this game. Fuck this fucking game. Fuck this game, guys. Fuck this game.
What it, the sound design is very entertaining.
No! No! I've got to give myself extra speed!
Okay. Ramzade! What the fuck?